blog, you'll typically need to follow these general steps. 1. Choose a blogging platform. There are several popular blogging platforms available, such as WordPress, Blogger, Wix, and Medium. Research and select the platform that best suits your needs in terms of features, customization options, and ease of use. 2. Visit the platform's website. Once you've decided on a platform, go to the website of the chosen platform. For example, if you've selected WordPress, visit wordpress.com or wordpress.org, depending on the version you prefer. 3. Sign up or create an account. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account button on the platform's homepage. Click on it to start the registration process. 4. Provide account information. Fill out the registration form with the necessary information. This typically includes your name, email address, and a password. Some platforms may also ask for additional details. 5. Choose a username and blog URL. Select a username for your blog, which will be used to identify your account and your blog's URL. The platform may have specific guidelines for username selection, such as character limits or availability checks. 6. Select a blog template or theme. Depending on the platform, you may be prompted to choose a blog template or theme during the sign-up process. Pick a design that aligns with your preferences or the purpose of your blog. 7. Customize your blog. Once your account is created, you can customize various aspects of your blog, such as the layout, colors, fonts, and widgets. Most platforms provide user-friendly interfaces or drag-and-drop editors to make customization easier. 8. Create and publish content. Start creating content for your blog by writing posts or articles. Consider your target audience and the topics you want to cover. Add images, videos, or other media elements to enhance your posts. Proofread and preview your content before publishing. 9. Explore additional features. Familiarize yourself with the additional features and options provided by the blogging platform. This could include plugins, SEO settings, social media integration, and more, depending on the platform you've chosen. 10. Publish and promote. Once you're satisfied with your content, publish your blog posts. Share your blog on social media platforms, engage with your audience, and consider implementing SEO strategies to increase visibility and attract readers. Remember to regularly update your blog with fresh and engaging content to maintain reader interest. Each platform may have its specific features and settings, so it's advisable to consult the platform's documentation or support resources for further guidance on utilizing its full potential. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.